and we're just starting. So what we're gonna do today is finish this wall. I think we're gonna go and finish the bathroom outside walls. I wanted to do that one, but I think we're just gonna go this way, and that way we can get the door done. But yeah, it's been a good day. We had breakfast. It's very cold out, but that's just what we're gonna deal with for the next couple months. And we moved everything, got everything a little bit situated so that we have room to get back there and get the shiplap up. We only have like 5 or 6 left of these. So once we run out of those, I think we're gonna take a break. So that's why we're just trying to get this side done. But anyways, we're gonna show you along and we'll take you for the ride. All right, so we had a quick little time lapse. We measured the inside right here because on this wall, we didn't cut it so that it met up with the studs. So we made it a little bit harder for us. We have to add studs. So we had to do that. This is about our 3rd time, I believe. So we measured it. We're gonna cut a 2x4, put it in. That way we can staple it, this one, and then staple the new wall that we have coming up. We do. We want to build a shed.
Yes, we got to build a shed, a little lean-to off the side of the house so I could store my tools and lock them up at night. That's what I want to do.
Yeah, so we have a place to go for them.
$88 miles an hour.
2x4s are like our best friend.
2x4s are our best friend right now. They're helping us get stuff done. Shiplap is also our best friend.
Shiplap, 2x4s, money. Our best friend.
Everything's our best friend, dude.
All right, so we're just putting that in.
We're going to toenail it in because I did not put into consideration cutting that first one so they all land on the double studs. That's where I made my mistake. We did it on the ceiling, we did it on that side. So it's just this one side that I didn't put it into consideration. So I had to add 2x4s along this whole wall because I should have cut that first one so they land on their 2x4 or the double stud. So now I have to do it this way. I'm just going to toenail it in with some screws.
Yeah, it's been working. It's just extra work.
It's just a waste of 2x4, really.
Yeah, that too. Yeah. All right, we're gonna cut this one 92 inches, so just a little bit off the top. And then he's gonna measure the window and everything and make those cuts as well.
Yeah, whatever works.
Yeah.
And this works. It's just not the funnest.
But it's been working. We've been doing it this way.
We have. It's just a lot better when it's flat.
Way better.
Everything works better when it's flat.
We left our trash out. We leave it right here. It was a lot cleaner. We went to the store the other day, and then we came back to it all over the place because of the goats. So some of you guys in the comments told us about that. So we have to put that away when we leave, or load it up, I don't know, in the truck, in the house, somewhere. Do you need this board?
I do.
Where did that come from?
It's a cutoff from yesterday.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna get this into 2. I think that looks good.
Perfect.
There you have it. I just gotta cut it.
Can't really see it.
As long as it ain't gonna hit the truck, we'll be good. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
There we go. See, not too much off.
Now we just need to measure for windows.
Yep.
Give this a try. Alright, let's see if my measurements are correct. We might need to move all these 2x.
Probably.
I'm pretty sure. You got that?
Yeah.
We got the window cut out. We got the outlet cut out. Hopefully that's good. That new blade that I put on that jig, the rotary tool, sucks a lot. It doesn't go fast. It takes forever to cut. And now I think I need to get a screwdriver and unscrew that
Outlet?
yeah, that outlet.
Just a little bit.
Alright, let's give it a try. Ready?
Yeah.
Put it up like so. Flip her around somehow. Alright, watch out. The bottom in first. Like so. That's that. That's the window. I just gotta make sure the outlet's good. So, make sure to get this sucker pushed in. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. This is the easiest one, it seems like, right?
Yeah.
Now I just gotta kick this bottom over so you can get it lined up.
Here, let me hold it.
It's looking good.
Look at that.
It's looking pretty.
One wall done.
One wall panel done. Now I just gotta get the nail gun, shoot her in. That panel's done. We also just realized that we need to insulate behind this panel first. We're gonna get to that right now. That, all three of those pieces go into that crack. You're gonna tuck it in nicely.
Yeah, looking good.
Yeah, it's gonna be extra. That's called double insulation. Alright, and we're gonna have to cut a bunch of little pieces, shove them in all those. Let me go get the scissors, guys. That'll make it easier, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna cut you some little ones.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright. Scissors don't work for this very well.
No?
No.
We used this the first time, didn't we?
No.
We used your blade.
I never use the scissors. That was the one. And it works, just not feeling. Try not to breathe in. That's for the top of the window.
This little area,
Yep.
I need you to reach.
That's the right length. I'm pretty good at eyeballing.
You are.
Was that a good length?
Yeah, I did.
Nice, nice,
Not
nice. Awesome, awesome. Alright, let's get this panel out. Plenty, plenty, plenty. Alright, let's get that outlet in. So right. I am. Thank you. Alright, let me go get that nail gun powered up. We got a finished wall finally.
I know.
One of many.
Nice.
One of many. And the outlet still works.
Perfect. That looks really good.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Did okay, didn't I?
Full wall.
I did alright for myself, didn't I?
Yeah. Good measurement.
Alright, yeah. Not too shabby. Alright, everybody. We ended up getting this last sheet up on the roof. We didn't end up recording that because kind of got a little distracted. Threw it up. We put the sheets sideways for now. We still got to get this side, but I think this is going to be it for the video.